In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Chrome profile. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. If Chrome is already open, you can stay on your current window. If it is not open yet, launch it and wait for the browser to fully load. Once Chrome is on screen, look to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you will see your profile icon. This may appear as your picture, your initials, or a generic profile symbol, depending on how Chrome is currently set up. The profile icon gives you access to profile-related options, including switching between profiles and creating a new one. Click on that profile icon to open the profile menu. When the menu appears, take a moment to look through the available options. You are looking for the Add button, which is usually located near the bottom of this menu. This option is what allows you to create another Chrome profile without changing your existing one. Now click Add. After you select it, Chrome will begin the process of setting up a new profile. From here, Chrome may open a new window or take you to a setup screen for the new profile. This is expected, and it means the new profile is being created. If you plan to use the profile for a different account or purpose, this is where Chrome will guide you into the next part of setup. A helpful tip is to make sure you are clicking the profile icon in the browser itself, not a website account icon, since many websites also place profile pictures in the top right area. Staying within the Chrome browser menu will make sure you reach the correct Add option. That is all you need to do to start adding a Google Chrome profile. Once you click Add, you are on your way to creating a separate browsing space with its own settings and organization. That covers everything you need to know.